Hi, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video we're going to install our main frame into the masonry opening. We're going to hang our panels and install the handles. After you dry fit the frame, run 2 beads of approved sealant in alignment with the second and third groove in the bottom of the sill and the concrete. Be sure that the amount of sealant will fill out the 2 cavities in the sill bottom. Our frame has been dry fitted, the sealant has been applied. Now it's time to lift the frame into the opening. Before I set the entire frame into the opening, I'm now going to set the drip cap on top of the head. I've now set the drip cap on top of the head, and now I'm going to insert the entire frame into the opening. Once your frame is square, level, and true, start at the sill and pre-drill for your masonry fasteners. You're going to work your way around, going up the jambs and the header, but do not over-tighten your fasteners. Once we hang our slabs, we'll adjust them and then tighten our masonry fasteners. When necessary, use the appropriate shims between the concrete and your frame. Using your hammer drill, you'll pre-drill the holes in the concrete. Now I'm going to tack the frame using our masonry fastener. Here's one of my masonry fasteners where I've pre-drilled, tacked it in, and I have a shim between the frame and the block. As stated earlier, I'm going to work my way around the frame, tacking a few fasteners, and ensuring that the frame stays square, level, and true. Here are the 2 French door slabs. On the shipping stickers, it's going to indicate slab 1 and slab 2. Outside looking in, slab 1 will be on the left side, slab 2 will be on the right side. Now it's time to unpackage the French door slabs. Once unpackaged, we're going to turn the panels upside right for installation. Inside the bag of hardware, you'll locate your number 12 by 3/4 inch screws. These screws are going to attach the hinge that's already on the slab to the main frame. It's highly recommended you use another person to help you attach the slab to the main frame. You're going to line up the pre-punched holes and using the number 12 by 3/4 inch screws, attach the hinge to the main frame. I'm going to hand tighten these screws to prevent damage to the frame. It's now time to repeat the same process on the second slab. We're going to unpackage it and turn it around. It's now time to repeat the same process by attaching the hinge on this slab to the frame with the pre-punched holes already made. I'm going to hand tighten these screws to prevent damage to the frame. We need to install our sill cover. We're going to snap it down onto the threshold. This is going to face the exterior. On the interior side of the cover, there's a lip that will need to snap underneath the smaller lip of the threshold. Inside the bag of parts, you can locate your construction handle. This is going to help you lock and unlock both inactive and active slabs. Ensure both slabs are working. Once they are working, finish tightening all your masonry fasteners and use shims as needed. All adjustments are done through the installation fasteners. Using your construction handle, raise the bolt at the top of the slab to fit inside the keeper. You're going to position the keeper just right and hand tighten the screws to hold it in place. Here's the pin that we're going to ensure fits into the keeper just right. Our slabs now operate correctly and lock into position. I'm going to go around, finish tightening all the masonry fasteners, and then snapping in the fastener covers. Now it's time to install our screw covers. This is the interior side of the screw cover. This will get placed in first and then snapped down on that side. I'm going to start off by snapping the cover in the head first. I'm going to follow the same process, except I'm using the jam screw cover. Now repeat the same process on the last screw cover. So to recap, we've now finished installing the door. My name is Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.